So the exercise, what we now just basically did together, this is something we would do with your full team to see for your products, what are the main drivers to identify them. Once we've identified them, we actually go into the next step, which is a conceptual model. And for a conceptual model, we look into what are all the relations between all the different drivers and what's the impact they have all together. So we map them out as you see down here. And you could think, for example, very specifically also about the correlation. So there is a correlation most of the time between life cycle and competitive field. So if it's a new product, you're launching a new product, there are not that many competitors. But if you're launching later on down the line of the life cycle, you get most of the time more competitors and more competitors. So also about mapping out the correlation between those different drivers and see what the significance is between them is a very important part of this model to bring that all together.